Ever wonder how top entrepreneurs skyrocket their businesses into a massive success? Well, it all comes down to one thing: making offers so irresistible that people feel stupid saying no. And that's exactly what we're going to be diving into today, straight from Alex Hormozi's book, $100 Million Offers. This is a blueprint for crafting offers that will transform your business. I read Alex's book so that you don't have to. I distilled all of his most important concepts into this digestible video in hopes of helping as many people as possible craft their best offers. I'm going to go through his process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have all of the tools you need to make offers so good that people will feel stupid saying no. But before I get into the nitty-gritty, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about helping you grow, learn, and dominate your market. Let's jump in. First things first, let's define an offer. Well, according to Hormozi, an offer is a value exchange. It's a trade of dollars for value. It includes the goods and services you provide, how you accept payment, and the terms of the agreement. Without a solid offer, your business can't thrive. Here's a breakdown according to Hormozi. No offer equals no business. Bad offer equals no profit, no customers, which is a miserable life. A decent offer equals some business with no significant growth. Good offer equals some profit. And a grand slam offer equals massive profits and freedom. Now let's get one thing straight. Price slashing is a losing game. Hormozi emphasizes that cutting prices to attract customers is a race to the bottom. This is economics 101. If you're in an undifferentiated market, all you have to compete on is price. The goal then is to find your niche and compete as if you're a monopoly, where you can charge whatever price you want. This starts with the process of crafting your offer. So how do we do that? Step one is to figure out how you can charge the maximum amount of money for your product. Hormozi's companies live by the mantra, grow or die. Businesses need to outpace market growth in order to survive. And here are 3 ways to achieve this. Number 1, get more customers. Number 2, increase their average purchase value. And number 3, get them to buy more often. With the Grand Slam offer, you can accomplish all 3. Let's break this down with an example. Imagine you run a marketing agency for gyms. Most marketing agencies will offer basic services for a flat monthly fee, maybe $2,000 a month. Instead, Hormozi proposes a superior Grand Slam offer like this. Pay one time, no reoccurring fee, no retainer, just cover the ad spend. I'll generate the leads and work your leads for you, and only pay me for the people that show up. And I'll guarantee you get 20 people in your first month, or you get the next month free. I'll also provide all of the best practices from the other businesses like yours, daily sales coaching for your staff, tested scripts, tested price points and offers to swipe and deploy, sales recordings and everything else you need to sell and fulfill your customers. I'll give you the entire playbook for insert industry absolutely free just for becoming a client. In a nutshell, he is feeding people into the client's businesses, showing them exactly how to sell them so that they can get the highest prices, which means that they make the most money possible. The results compared to the original offer of just a flat $2,000 a month are pretty astonishing. It got 2.5 times the response rate, 2.3 times the close rate, 4 times the price, 22.4 times the cash collected up front. Return on ad spend went from 5 to 1 to 11 to 1 compared to the original monthly arrangement. That's the power of a Grand Slam offer. But even the best offer in the world won't work if you're in the wrong market. Hormozi uses a hot dog stand analogy to explain this. He explains that a hot dog stand could outsell a Michelin star restaurant if the hot dog stand was placed in the middle of a starving crowd. The key to success is finding your starving crowd. Identify your market and ensure that they have 1, a massive pain point, 2, purchasing power, and 3, they are easy to target. A starving crowd can outperform offer strength and persuasion skills, so start here first. Hormozi then unpacks the phrase, riches are in the niches. By targeting a specific group, you can command higher prices. For an example, he looks at time management products and how you can charge more the deeper you get into niches. So for a general market for time management, you might be able to charge $19 a month. If you target only sales professionals, you can sell that product for $99 a month. If you target B2B sales reps, then you can charge $499. And if you target outbound B2B power tool sales reps, then you can charge $1,997. The more specific your niche, the higher price you can charge because your solution is built just for them. This is how you go from competing on price, which is an undifferentiated market, to competing on value, which is a differentiated market. The secret here is that anybody can compete as a monopoly if they carve their niche deep enough in the right market. Pricing is crucial. Dan Kennedy's quote, "Charge as high a price as you can say out loud without cracking a smile," is spot on. Dan Kennedy also said, "There's no strategic benefit to being the second cheapest in the marketplace, but there is for being being the most expensive. Hormozi writes that premium pricing is not only a smart business choice, but it's a moral one. It's the only way that allows you to truly provide the most value for your customers. He makes the case that lower prices lead to low emotional investment from clients, lower perceived value from your services, lower results, lower revenue, higher demand from clients, and lower levels of service. Conversely, higher prices lead to higher emotional investment from clients, higher perceived value in your services, better results. The demands from clients actually decrease, profits increase, and clients will get a better level of service. A Grand Slam offer focuses on value. Hormozi's value equation is value equals dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement divided by time delay times effort and sacrifice. Increase the top half, dream outcome and perceived likelihood of achievement, and decrease the bottom half, time delay and effort. Let's start with dream outcome. Eugene Suarez wrote, "Our goal isn't to create desire, it's to channel existing market desire through our offer." The dream outcome is the feeling that the prospect already has in their mind. It's the gap between their current reality and their dreams. The goal of our Grand Slam offer is to accurately depict that dream back to the prospect so that they feel understood and explain how we will get them there. The dream outcome is simply getting there. You don't have to make their dream outcome bigger, you just need to understand it fully and paint a path to getting them there. Now let's get into perceived likelihood of achievement. People value certainty. If you make a big claim but it doesn't seem certain that the prospect can achieve it, the value equation drops. To overcome this, we must offer proof, or at least the reassurance that they will achieve their dream outcome. This can be done through guarantees. If a prospect is guaranteed that one way or another they're going to achieve their dream outcome, it strengthens the top half of the equation. For time delays, we want to create quick wins to build trust. Hormozi has a clever solution here. Create emotional wins fast. Hormozi gives an example of implementing a sales and marketing solution for a gym. To shorten the time delay of the dream outcome, they create a quick win by getting their ads live within the first 7 days so that they can get their first $2,000 sale. By doing this, the client trusts us as a solution provider right off the bat and will trust the other big solutions our Grand Slam offer presented. For effort and sacrifice, we want to make it as easy as possible for clients to achieve their dream outcome. Hormozi gives the example of liposuction versus fitness programs to explain this. If you look at the effort and sacrifice for business, to get their dream outcome with a workout program, somebody would have to wake up 2 hours earlier, they'd have to spend 5 to 10 hours a week in the gym, they'd have to stop eating their favorite foods, they'd have to battle constant hunger, they'd have to battle physical soreness, they'd have to deal with the embarrassment of learning the exercise, and they would have to meal prep and buy expensive groceries. Because of this, a gym membership might only be about $20 a month. Compare this to liposuction. To get the dream outcome for liposuction, somebody will have to fall asleep, wake up thin, and then they're gonna have to deal with 2 to 4 weeks of soreness. This is why liposuction can cost around $10,000. Liposuction's simplicity and quick results show why it commands a higher price. Now, let's build your Grand Slam offer. Start with identifying the dream outcome. List all of the problems that your prospect might face achieving this outcome and turn these problems into your solutions. Name these solutions cleverly to make them attractive. For example, buying healthy food is hard becomes foolproof bargain grocery system. Go down the list of problems, turn them into solutions, and bundle these solutions into a compelling offer. Remember, this only works if you have a full understanding of your ideal customer. Your offer should sound like you are talking directly to them in your messaging. You should be able to describe your client's pain better than they can. You can sweeten your offer with bonuses, not discounts. Add elements of scarcity and urgency, and crucially, include strong guarantees to share risk with your clients. So there you have it. That is my full summary of $100 million offers by Alex Hormozi. Even though this video covered the highlights, I still highly recommend that you read the full text yourself. We'll link the book in the description below. And if you found this useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Education is the best way to stay informed and ahead of the competition as entrepreneurs. And of course, if you want to learn more and continue to grow as an entrepreneur, be sure to check out my other videos. We put out content every single week. Until then, keep building. We'll talk soon.